Hello.
Hello.
What is up? How are you?
Good. You.
Oh, just living the dream. What can I do for you?
So, I have been following your program for about 2 months now, and I am down almost 28 pounds.
Down almost 30 freaking pounds in 2 months. Let's go.
I mean, granted, I have a lot to lose, so it kind of,
No, girl, don't take it. Don't even talk yourself down right now. That is awesome. Do you know how many people quit after they lose 10 pounds and they cry themselves a river thinking they can't get results, and you're down 28 pounds in 2 months?
It's hard. It's so hard, and the discipline is ridiculous.
So what's keeping you on track then?
Well, I want to feel my best when I eventually get engaged in a year and a half, so I'm working slowly and finding little goals between now and then. So, like I want to feel a certain way by Christmas pictures. I want to feel a certain way by New Year's and not have to have a New Year's resolution of that anymore.
So what's been the hardest thing for you with everything?
The hardest thing is when my sister comes home from college and visits, and she's like, let's get Starbucks, let's get this. And, saying no has been really difficult.
So could you get Starbucks and just do 2 pumps heavy cream?
Well, when I go to Starbucks, I usually get, a strawberry acai with water.
You don't like coffee?
No, I don't do coffee.
All right, then don't even go to Starbucks. Not even worth it. Spend $12 on some random foo-foo mocha fricka frappuccino.
Pretty much.
Yeah, there you go. So exactly. So, that's what I try and tell people all the time. There's no point. If there's no point in eating or drinking something if it brings you nothing to help you get better results, help your body thrive.
Yeah, and that's not even fully. That's not even exercising. That's literally just working with 24 kindergartners.
So you're not working out?
No, not currently. I have no time between grad school and working full time with kindergartners. I don't.
And you're a teacher?
Yeah, I'm a full-time kindergarten teacher and getting my master's.
I freaking love it. You have every excuse to not do this. You have no time. You're going to school. This is why I do this. But you're the one doing everything. You're making the changes.
The thing that I have to get better at, I know I just saw your video earlier, that's why I wanted to call. I've been having Diet Coke, but it's not all day. I have 1 or 2 cans a day, with lunch, but I'm just trying to get more water in, but it's hard.
I do sparkling water, so I love soda. Dr. Pepper is my thing. So what got me off the soda fix was doing sparkling water. So the Waterloos and stuff like that, bubblies and stuff.
Oh, I do seltzer too. I bring one of those big, not 2 liter, but whatever, the 1 liter of seltzer I bring to work in the morning, and then I come for lunch and I try to do a water with a Propel or I don't know.
No, I love that. I love that. I personally just don't drink diet soda. I just aspartame. I ain't going to do anything with it. Enough people talk about getting headaches taking it, so I'm yeah, it's good enough reason for me not to take it. You know what I mean?
Oh, I know. That's I feel like I can't get rid of that. It's my one little treat I like to have.
What's super funny is I found out with soda, it's not the taste of it. It's actually the carbonated water that I like.
Yes, I do the bubbly stream.
Yes, exactly. I have my own home stream. Absolutely.
Oh yeah, so do I. It's the best. And what I did actually was on Amazon, my mom found the bubbly flavors. So I have the cherry, the lime, the raspberry. I have every single 8 or 9 bubbly flavors, and then I put the bubbly flavor in my water. In my cup. And then I pour the plain seltzer in and I mix it, and it's a bubbly.
There you go. Now you don't even need to have the diet soda anymore. And you're down 28 pounds in 2 months.
Yeah, I feel like I'm on a hold, though, because I don't know. I feel like I'm just getting bored of everything that I've been eating.
You got to eat to live, not live to eat.
I know.
Change it up with different dry rubs and different spices and stuff like that.
like I was having one chicken sausage, some two eggs, and some cottage cheese for breakfast, and it's been. I mean, it's filling. I mean, it's really good. I feel like it's the protein.
Yeah, no, absolutely. It's definitely the protein. Just change it up, different varieties. But at the end of the day, we just eat because we have to, just like we have to drink water.
What do you like? So like, I have a question because I feel like I've been like having a lot of snacks recently. Like, so Mondays, for example, like tomorrow, I wake up at 6, have breakfast at like 7. Then I have like a lunch, quote unquote, at like 10:45, and then I go right from work at 3:15, so I don't get home until 9 at night from work. I mean, from school. So like, what do you recommend I do from like a break or? Because I'm out of the house all day.
Are you hitting your calories every day?
Probably not. That's probably why I'm like losing so much so fast.
How many calories are you taking in?
I think like 2,200.
How many calories are you supposed to be taking in?
Or maybe 2,000. I think probably like a couple hundred under.
All right, so then that's all we need to do is just make up that extra 200 calories. I wouldn't change the calories yet, though, because after about 35 to 40 pounds, that's when I recalculate the calories. Then I would change up the calories, but not yet. But taking that right amount, 200 to 300 more, and hit your right amount of calories. I always tell people, go a little over than under, and that's going to make it to where you're not going to have the snack cravings anymore.
That's true. What are some like filling snacks on the or filling meals on the go that you like?
I love doing meat and cheese. I love doing meat and cheeses.
It's like a packet of Kool-Aid to bring to work. To school at night.
That's what I'm saying. I love doing the meat and cheeses.
Oh, like wrapping up.
Yeah, exactly.
Cheese with a little bit of mayo or whatever.
Yes.
That's true. That's like a good fit. And it's like, I need something simple. I can just pop in my mouth in between classes.
Yep, that's the name of the game. I could sit here and sell you on True Meal, but I don't need to do that. That's the thing. Just find different ways. Like the meat and cheese is a good thing. I love doing the meat and cheeses.
What about hard-boiled eggs? And
yeah, that's great. Great idea cheese? Right there. Yeah.
How many hard-boiled eggs do you think is for, I guess, like a snack? I don't know about a snack. Like
it just depends on your calories. It's about 90 to 100 calories per egg.
And then what's the best app do you like?
Bread?
Oh, no, app. Like
My Fitness Pal is the one that I like to use to track the calories.
Okay. Yeah, I was using that one. I feel like I gotta just stick to it because it was like complex, but I was using some random ones, so I'm just gonna start fresh tomorrow and use the MyFitnessPal or whatever the one. Yeah.
Yeah, just keep it simple. Well, I like to do 3 meals a day and then divide the calorie goal by 3. That's gonna make it to where you're not gonna be snacking anymore.
That's true because I feel like. Well, because it's hard because like I wake up so early, then I have lunch from work at 10:45 in the morning, like 2 hours after I had breakfast.
Yes, that's why I like to that's why I like to do 3 meals a day because I don't have time to eat 6 times a day.
So, okay, so you think that I should just like, or have like a. I don't even know. I don't know. Never mind.
What do you mean, girl? You're doing amazing. You're down 28 pounds in 2 months.
I know it's been rough. It's like I'm always on the go, so it's like I don't have time to like snack.
That's exactly why I created True Meal. So, if you were to tell anyone to start, what is the number one thing you would tell them? For everybody out here listening, that's totally mind blown that you're down 28 pounds in 2 months.
Just start.
I love it.
And it's also like you can't overthink it. It's like. When I've realized it's like I do 1 meal at a time. I'm like, okay, what am I gonna have for breakfast? Okay, that's done. Now what's for lunch? Like, and like you can't make it so complex like the meals. Like I do like 2 hard-boiled eggs and some cottage cheese for like and like I don't know some vegetables or whatever for lunch or like a snack. Call it like the deal, you know, just be done. If you focus on little things and like. Even just track, okay, I'm going to track for 5 days, I'm going to start one tracking for one whole day. Now I'm going to worry about the next whole day. And, like, little steps.
Yep, that's what I tell everyone. Keep it simple. Stop overthinking it. Everybody thinks they need to buy some program when literally you found me on TikTok and you called in too, didn't you?
I've called in a few times, yeah.
I thought so. I recognized your voice and boom, you're down 28 freaking pounds. You're doing amazing.
Thank you. Yeah, I feel like you just got to start.
That's it. You just got to start. That's a problem. People don't start.
And what the biggest thing that I've learned that, like, my mom's told me, it's like, this stuff will be there. It's like, it's not like you're going to never have it again.
Yeah, have you found it to where you're like, I almost don't even want it anymore because of how much better you're feeling now not eating it?
Oh, my God, yeah. Like, I would go to Starbucks, like, before with my sister when she'd come home from college, and I'd have, like, freaking, like, a cake pop here, there. Oh, I'd just go to Starbucks. Or let's just get pizza. And it's like, it tastes so good, but it's like you feel so shitty after. But it's like, what's the point?
Exactly. That's what I try to tell everybody.
She's going to be in the bathroom all night anyway.
Exactly. It ain't worth it.
Nope, it's good. I always say it's a bite, what is it? It's saying it's like a bite or a moment in your mouth, or I forgot how it says. It's like
seconds on the lips, forever on your hips.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, exactly. Well, I appreciate you a ton calling in, and please do not be complacent. Continue doing what you're doing so you can call me back in the next couple months and be down 60 to 100.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Hey, you got it. Talk soon.
Bye.
Bye. Like I said, guys, I love that was the first call. She's down 28 pounds in 2.5 freaking months, ladies and gents. If you guys are new, welcome to the Q&A live one-on-ones. That is right. If you need help, you're struggling with weight loss, give me a call. Hypothyroid, insulin resistance, type 1, type 2, diabetic, hypothyroid, PCOS, Hashimoto's, 10 years old, 50 years old, 100 years old. You can't work out, stop making up excuses. Give me a call. Let's talk.